and paste .url here. Now this website will show you these results. This website having a domain authority 6, page authority is good, domain authority is also very good, total 3 backlinks, and that filter shows us the backlinks, number of backlinks for any domain. Look at. So this domain is available. In this video we will see expireddomain.net complete learning from how to filter high DA, PA, old age, high backlink, keywords and Wikipedia links domains. This website is free and many SEO experts use this to find expired domains for various reasons, such as their existing traffic, backlinks, brand recognition and SEO value. So you can explore it more by having good time on it. So first we will go to expireddomain.net and create our free account. So this is the site. So you will type in expireddomain.net and you will have this site opened. Then you will go to sign up and you will enter your username, password and email address, and from here you will sign up. Once you created your account, then you will go to the login section and enter your details, and this is the dashboard of expireddomains.net. Look at. Now this is the search panel, and from here you can search any keyword, and the expireddomain.net database will show you the domain results. So we will type here our keyword, such as we will type leather keyword, but you can put any keyword. Leather, and these are the results shown by this website, and these are the domains that are available. Look at, these domains are available, and these domains that are listed on domain marketplace. Look at this domain leather.jewelry available on godaddy.com, and this other domain that is available leather.city, leather.expert. These domains are available on GoDaddy, and these are available on sedo.com. Now we will head towards our important part, and that is filters. And this filter shows the length of the domain, and once you click the filter it will show you the highest to lowest domain length, and that filter shows us the backlinks, number of backlinks for any domain. Look at, and that filter show you the number of backlinks from different domains. This filter will show you the who is creation date, so you can explore the old age domains with this filter. This filter will show you the archive.org results, and these results will be the first found date from archive.org, and these are the results that archive.org crawled for any domain. And this filter will show you the number of backlinks from wikipedia.org, and this is the vital step, because wikipedia.org is a high DA website. Once you get a link from this domain, you can ultimately have good traffic and good authority for any domain. Now we will explore more filter from here, show filters, and if you want domain contains leather, then this result will show you there. So in this way you can explore the domains. And now I will show you the important filters, such as you can filter name length for any domain, and this filter is also very important as it will show you the maximum number of domains on search page, like we want 200 domains show on one page, then you can filter this. Now then you will go to the apply filter, and now it will show you the 200 domains on the same page. Now you can easily research your desired domain. And the next important filter, and you can extract or filter domain related to .com or any generic TLD, that these are the generic TLDs that are available. And you can also go for country code TLDs. These are the country code TLDs you can explore by checking. Now we will move towards next method for exploring domain on expireddomain.net is finding this filter will show you the archive results of .com domains in any years. Look at, and this will show you the .net domains archive, and that will show you the archive result for .org domains. As you know, .com, .net, .org, these domains are the top level domains, so your main focus should be on these three domains, but my favorite one is .com. And here there are a lot of other filters such as country TLD from A to Z. These are the country TLDs, so you can explore the country TLD on these filters. And these are the generic TLDs, and these are the new generic TLDs. These are domains such as .online, .nyc, and these all domains that are .app, and these are the new generic TLDs that are also. And now we will go to the marketplace domain. So you will click here, and this will show you the marketplace domains. Look at, these all are marketplace domains. If you want to go to filter GoDaddy marketplace domain, Namecheap marketplace, Sedu.com, Dyna.dan.com, so these are the marketplace domains, so you can filter marketplace domains. Now we will move towards our final domain research process. Now I will show you why you should not grab the domain by just seeing these stats like height, backlinks and age until you do the research for specific expired domain you want to get. So see this domain, leatherline.org, having good backlinks. It's also very old age domain and getting 3 Wikipedia links, and that is available. So we will copy this domain and we will see if it is available on namecheap.com. So this domain is available, but we will not buy it now until we do this. Now you will open another window, and here you will type website DA checker. You will open this website, or you can open any website, but I will check the domain authority for any expired domain and any domain on this site, website.seochecker.com. You will open that link and paste .url here. Now this website will show you these results. This website having a domain authority 6, page authority is good, domain authority is also very good, total 3 backlinks, quality backlink 1, percentage of quality backlink 33%, most trust is good, but that is not good. That is the most spam score, and that is very high, 56%. It should be around 1 to 10% for any domain, and so due to high spam score we will not buy this domain. Although this domain is looking very fine, easy to spell, easy to remember, but we will not buy this domain due to spam score. So we will search for any other domain like leatherface.biz. We will copy it and we will check this domain. It's this domain having a very good domain authority score, and spam score is 56%. If you know the basics of disovo tool, then you can grab the domain. You can reduce the spam score for any domain with the disoving tool, but you have to learn the complete process of disoving, or you should follow SEO expert advice about disoving. So in this way you can get high DA domain in a low price and also sell them on a domain market platforms on a high profits. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and subscribe for more future video like this.